Lesson 1. Definition and importance of fleet management. Fleet management is the process of managing a company's fleet of vehicles, including cars, trucks, buses, and vans. It involves a range of activities, such as vehicle acquisition, maintenance, fuel management, and driver management. The goal of fleet management is to ensure that the fleet operates efficiently, safely, and cost-effectively. Effective fleet management can bring several benefits to a business, such as improved efficiency. By optimizing routes, managing driver behavior, and ensuring proper maintenance, fleet management can improve the efficiency of the fleet, reducing fuel costs and increasing productivity. Enhance safety. Fleet management can help to identify and address unsafe driving behavior, such as speeding, harsh braking, and distracted driving, reducing the risk of accidents and improving driver safety. Better customer service. With efficient fleet management, businesses can respond quickly to customer needs and provide better service, leading to improved customer satisfaction and retention. Reduced costs. By tracking and analyzing fleet data, businesses can identify areas where costs can be reduced, such as fuel consumption, maintenance, and repairs. Fleet management is an essential part of business operations, particularly for companies that rely on their fleets to deliver goods and services. Without proper management, fleets can become inefficient, unreliable, and costly, leading to decreased profitability and customer dissatisfaction. By implementing effective fleet management practices, businesses can ensure that their fleets are operating at maximum efficiency, safety, and profitability, contributing to the overall success of the business.